I wanted my sex life back. No more avoiding sex or having duty sex.
I had a wonderful, loving husband and no sexual feelings whatsoever. A silent wall of shame grew between us.
These women suffer from lack of sexual desire, and now a new pill developed by Sprout Pharmaceuticals could significantly improve their lives.
This has been under the radar, hidden. Most women are just sucking it up, so to speak.
After years with no FDA-approved solutions, Flibanserin, popularly known as the female Viagra, may soon provide women with treatment. In fact, women's health groups have joined with the pharmaceutical company to create a new campaign called Even the Score. The campaign is lobbying the FDA to approve Flibanserin. It's about time, right?
Even the Score is full of lies. Knowing, willful lies.
One such lie, the campaign strongly implies that the drug is similar to Viagra, but that's just not true. Men take the little blue pill when they want to have sex to increase blood flow to the penis. Women would have to take Flibanserin daily, and that works to convince the brain to desire sex. Also, as one of the panelists advising the FDA told us, the drug isn't nearly for any women.
In my clinical practice of 15 years in general internal medicine, I've never met a woman that fulfills the formal diagnostic criteria for this disorder.
And for the few premenopausal women who do qualify, they would have to make some major life changes. The only way I could take this product as a woman is I have to stop drinking, I have to get off my prescription contraceptive pill.
No antifungal medicines for vaginal yeast infections or anything like that.
Stop that.
Okay.
And I have to take it at night.
Right.
And over a 6-month period, I might, during some point of those 6 months, experience a slightly heightened desire to have sex.
Right.
In fact, the few participants who saw improvements made such a small increase in their sexual activity that we had trouble characterizing it. And many participants experienced adverse effects that the expert panelists feared would only increase in the general population.
If you faint while you drive a car, you may kill yourself or someone else. These safety concerns, in light of the very modest effectiveness benefit, together don't present a favorable package.
The FDA rejected Flibanserin twice. And this third time around, they requested an additional study of how the drug interacts with alcohol. The company enrolled 25 people, 23 men and just 2 women, and later claimed that they didn't have the foresight to enroll more women.
Sprout Pharmaceuticals set off to do the right thing, I believe, but they then went astray when the FDA said, "We're still not convinced, you still haven't answered all the questions about safety." Then they started investing really pretty significant amounts of money into this marketing campaign.
After a full day of hearings, the panel voted 18-6 to approve the drug, though not without conditions and some serious reservations.
Women suffering from HSDD deserve better than this.
I think we all wish that it was a drug that was a better one.
There are serious safety concerns, so my yes is conditional.
If this were the 7th drug in the class, I think it'd be a very different discussion.
So, will this drug really help women?
It is not perfect. The drug's not perfect. The FDA is not perfect. We accept certain imperfections to move progress.
If the FDA approves Flibanserin, I will be convinced forever that it came about as a result of a brilliant marketing campaign and not as the result of good science. And I'm afraid women will suffer as a result.